He is surrounded by snoring cats, and it's just awesome. Love you, Fozzie. Love you, Bear. He was snoring a second ago. I guess he's kind of quiet. I wish he'd start throwing his head again. I love it. Oh, I love you. His new place on the couch is up here on top. He's squishing it. Okay. Love you, Bear. Fuzzy, I mean. Sorry. Love you. I've left. Oh. I've left Curie, the new kitty, out. So everything's peaceful so far. I don't know where they are, but it's peaceful. So that's good. Oh, cutie. And